It is strange that only extraordinary men make discoveries and inventions, which later appear so easy and simple. Hello everyone, my name is Kyansh Keshav, student of class 6D from Adarsh Public School, and today I am going to do an experiment of electromagnetic induction. So far, the only way we know of creating electricity is by using batteries, which are made up of chemicals. It is okay if we want to distribute the electricity on a small scale, but what if we want to distribute the electricity on a large scale? Would you make a large battery? Imagine the amount of chemicals. What a mess. So I guess the question here arises to explore now is, can we create electricity without using batteries? Is it possible? We know that when we pass electric current through a coil, it creates a magnetic field. A curious man, Michael Faraday, thought whether the reverse is possible. Can magnetic field create electric currents? And if the answer is yes, then we would have found a new way to create electricity. I am pretending as I am Faraday and will prove it. So, for this experiment, I am going to use the parts of a fused CFL bulb. So, with those parts, I have prepared the circuit. And this part of my experiment is the primary coil. It will work as a transmitter. And I have also created one more circuit and with a coil and one LED, and this is the secondary coil and will work as a receiver. So now when I will attach the battery to the primary coil, the current will flow through the primary coil and this coil will create a magnetic field. And when I will bring the secondary coil near the primary coil, oh wow, the LED is glowing. Now let's see if more than one receivers can receive the electricity or not. Oh wow, they all are glowing. That means that we can create electricity with the help of the magnetic field. This is known as electromagnetic induction. Latest example of these are wireless LED, wireless mobile charging, and etc. I hope you have enjoyed this experiment. Thank you. Have a nice day.